available the 3 or 4 different commands. It's not just override, it's hold, retreat, abort. There are this kind of commands, different according to the situation. The crew has the capability, but it will not exercise the capability if it does not get the concurrence from mission control here in Toulouse. Usually, mission control is able to send the command, they are able to send the command by themselves. They don't need the astronaut there. But from 19 meters on, the time required for coordination, for seeing this data, for sending the command, for executing the command, is deemed to be too much. So that in that time frame, the crew has the capability of sending the command by itself. So usually what it will happen is that Andrea as a prime will see something, may see something weird. It will consult with Oleg, make sure that they see the same thing and evaluate whatever they see. They decide according to the procedure, according to the book that they have in their hands, what is the action to be performed, and they will actually execute the action. This all the way up to 1 meter from the station, and then at 1 meter there is the point that is called CHOP, crew handoff point. Did you discuss all of these things? You know, no. You guys know all of this, or I'm just telling something new? No. There's this CHOP. You will hear CHOP probably, and that means crew hands off point. It means that for that moment on, which is just a few seconds, the crew shall not touch any, shall not give any command, because it takes about a second to react, and this may cause even more problems than ever. It's deemed that when the ATV is coming in and is okay at about 1 meter, then whatever happens, it will not be strong enough to block it from dock or create an emergency situation. It's also interesting to know what happens when the actual probe gets into the cone, but we'll talk about it later if you would like to.